The first thing I do when I clean a dryer vent is go up on the roof. So I went up on the roof to clean this dryer vent, and the whole thing was completely clogged with this screen. A lot of times the exterminator will put a screen over the dryer vent, and this is the number one cause of a dryer not drying. So I removed this screen. The customer wanted me to put it back, so I cleaned it off. And then I put it back. I let them know it'll probably get clogged again really soon, but they wanted me to put it back. Then I went inside and I cleaned the inside of the dryer. It was really dirty inside the dryer, and now the dryer's all clean.